What's up with you, YouTube? It's your boy, the Tahoe guy, and I'm back at y'all with another video, you hear me? I know y'all been wondering where I've been at, what I've been doing, you hear me? But I've been doing a little something. I had a little tricks up my sleeve. I just couldn't let nobody know what I was doing. But today is the day that I'll let y'all know what I done did to the Tahoe, you hear me? As some of my subscribers know, if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, you hear me? And hit the notification bell so you can get my notifications every time I drop a video. This not gonna be the one and only video I drop of this Tahoe. But anyway, we finna get to it and show y'all what's done in this truck. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to the end of this video. First and foremost, we gonna start under the hood, cause everybody knows if you don't got electrical, you don't got nothing. So, as y'all see, I got 1, 2, 3 alternators. I got one factory alternator, which is 145 amp alternator. Then I have 2 high output alternators. The top one is a 390 amp hour and the bottom is a 250 amp hour. And the high output alternators are running to my music, my Yinlong lithium. You know, you cannot mix lithium with AGM or lead acid, because the lithium will draw down on the lead acid or the AGM batteries. So you don't do that. But anyway, y'all see the fresh paint job on this truck. I don't do body work or none of that. You know what I'm saying? I sand it, smoothed it out, and I sprayed it back the original color white. You know what I'm saying? I ain't put no clear coat on it yet. That's another story for another day. You know what I'm saying? I just needed some paint on my truck so I can make it to a couple car shows without the primer look, because it was starting to rust out a little bit. But let me take y'all to the inside, let y'all see what I done did. I have a console built by me. It features 2 8-inch mids, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. I have my voltage meters and my equalizer stuffed up in there. It also features 2 cup holders. And my Yinlong lithium is in the inside, which is 75 amp hours. I'm gonna take y'all around to the other side. Can't let y'all see the back yet, you hear me? And what I done did. But I'm finna show y'all. See this here amp rack? Don't mind no wires. But I'm gonna clean all that up. The amp rack features, some of y'all may know, some of y'all might not know, 4 SCAR RP 3500s. The amp rack is built by me, glued and screwed. My door pods, built by me. Last year sometime around probably about, I say October, I built them myself. I'm gonna redo them. It was my first time doing it, but I'm gonna redo them. And last but not least, I went from a wall, a full throttle wall, to a no wall in this Tahoe. And it features 8 SCAR audio EVL 15s. Take y'all around to the back so y'all can see this box in full. This box is designed and built by me. Like I said, 8 SCAR audio EVL 15s. Painted black and white. Like I said, box built and designed by me. That's all for today, folks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Man, I appreciate y'all staying tuned to the end of this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You hear me? If y'all want to see this Tahoe in action, make sure you go follow your boy on TikTok at the Tahoe guy, or on Instagram at the greatest of all time, as y'all can see right there on my windshield. Make sure you put 2 underscores in between all and time. I'm signing out this thing, you hear me? Peace.